Welcome to this video lecturing. In this video, we are going to see about accounting concepts. Accounting concepts define the assumption on the basis of which financial statement of a business entity are prepared. Concepts are those basic assumptions and conditions which form the basics upon which the accounting has been laid. There are few accounting concepts. We are going to discuss one by one. First is business entity concept. This concept assumes that for accounting purpose, the business enterprises and its owners are two separate independent entities. Thus, the business and the personal transactions of its owner are separate. For example, when the owner invests money in the business, it is recorded as liability of the business to the owner. Similarly, when the owner takes away from the business cash or goods for his or her personal use, it is not treated as a business expenses. Next is money measurement concept. This concept assumes that all the business transaction must be in terms of money, that is, in terms of currencies of a country. For example, sincerity, loyalty are not recorded in the books of accounts, since it is not a monetary benefit. Going concern concept. This concept states that a business firm will continue to carry on its activity for an indefinite period of time. Simply stated, it means that every business entity has continuity of life. Accounting period concept. All the transactions are recorded in the books of accounts on the assumption that profit on these transactions or to be ascertained for a specific period. This is known as accounting period concept. Next is accounting cost concept. It states that all the assets are recorded in the books of accounts at their purchase price, which includes cost of acquisition, transportation, and installation, and not in the market price. It means that fixed assets like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture are recorded in the books of accounts at the price paid for them. Next is dual aspect concept. According to this concept, all the accounting entries are recorded on the basis of two accounts, that is debit and credit. Dual aspect is the foundation or the basic principles of accounting. It provides the very basic of recording business transaction in the books of accounts. Dual aspects means dual effect, that is, it affects two accounts in their respective opposite side. Therefore, the transaction should be recorded at two places. It means both the aspects of the transaction must be recorded in the books of accounts. Thus, duality concept is commonly expressed in terms of fundamental accounting equation as asset equal to liabilities plus capital. Matching concept. The matching concept states that the revenue and the expenses incurred to earn the revenues must belong to the same accounting period. So once the revenue is realized, the next step is to allocate it to the relevant accounting period. This can be done with the help of the accrual concept. If the revenue is more than the expenses, it is called as profit. If the expenses are more than revenue, it is called loss. This is what exactly has been done by applying the matching concept. Next is realization concept. This concept states that revenue from any business transaction should be included in the accounting records only when it is realized. The term realization means creation of legal rights to receive money. Selling of goods is realization, receiving orders is not. In other words, it can be stated that revenue is said to have been realized when cash has been received, or right to receive cash on the sale of goods or the services, or both has been created. Next is accrual concept. The meaning of accrual is something that becomes due, especially an amount of money that is yet to be paid or received at the end of the accounting period. It means that revenues are recognized when they become receivable. Though cash is received or not received, and the expenses are recognized when they become payable through cash is paid or not. Both transactions will be recorded in the accounting period to which they relate. So these are the concepts, accounting concepts. To summarize, accounting concepts are the assumptions or the basic principles on which the transaction has been recorded in the books of accounts. So these are the accounting concepts, that is business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, accounting period concept, accounting cost concept, dual aspect concept, matching concept, realization concept, and accrual concept. And thank you.